comes David, riding on his bike. Okay, he's doing a turnaround in the front yard. Here he comes back. Very Jim's back. I'm standing on top of these blocks. See, I'm standing on top here in this corner. I'm back here in the back, standing up on this pile of timber and shake tiles. Hope I don't fall off or get bit by a snake in here. I'm waiting for David to do another turnaround. Maybe he's going to go get one of the other ATVs. Okay, well that's his giant squirrel hill to climb in life. Sayonara.
No, not yet.
Oh,
you have
okay.
to press the red button to start.
Okay.
And then to stop it, you press it again.
Oh, okay.
That's good.
Hi, Millie.
Hi.
Sorry, what?
Hi.
Oh, Mom!
I'm thirsty. Hurry up.
Jeez!
Water.
Okay.
Hey.
Hi, Katie. Hi, Katie.
Katie, say hi.
Hi. Where's Kimberly? Hi, Kim. Hi. Hey, David, are you going to set up Kim's little volleyball set for her?
Oh, that's what it was?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Tomorrow she has a game.
That's when she's practice.
Did you find the keys?
Right here.
Okay. Who wants to come and watch David tear up the dirt in the backyard?
Yeah, no.
Come on, who wants to go see?
Okay.
Bert, here's Heidi. Come on, let's go find Heidi. Come on. Come on. Hi, Heidi. How you doing? How you doing, little girl? Hello. Hi, Sparkles and Heidi. Hey, Sparkles. Hey. Hi, Heidi. Oh, yeah. Look at all those wonderful bicycles that have to be fixed. Yeah, okay. Here's your swimming pool. Oh, it's all dried up. Okay. There's David. And he's out there in that shed getting his ATV ready. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's that possum's nest. Sparky keeps waiting. There's a baby possum right up there. And this is where Sparky spends his day, waiting for that possum to come down this tree here. See? He's just waiting for his dinner. Aren't you, Sparky? Yep, you're waiting for your dinner, right? Yep. Good boy. Good boy. Looks like he's got a little foxtail on his belly there. Here's David trying to get that ATV going. Damn, David, you're smoking me out back here. I can't breathe.